Ito, meron naman tayong gustong pag-usapan. Si Jen Barangan issue.
Oo nga.
Jen was called out for filming herself with her phone camera flash switched on during the concert. She posted the video of herself on TikTok. Some netizens pointed out that among the rules during Olivia's concert was no flash photography. Nag-post si Jen ng public apology. Wow.
Ayun, nag-sorry naman na. Ano pa ba yung gusto? Oh, 'di ba?
I
Well-
feel like, well, I wasn't there at that concert. Pero kasi may mga videos na lumabas na yung marami naman talaga naka-on yung flash. Hindi lang naman si Miss Jen Barangan. Talagang siya lang yung napunterya dahil may following kasi siya.
Yeah.
So,
Public figure din
oo,
siya eh.
public figure talaga siya. And I just, parang, I felt bad for her kasi I don't think naman she had any ill intentions.
Yeah.
And feeling ko, if ikaw yung nasa likod ni Miss Jen Barangan nung sa concert na yun, and if tinapik mo siya at sinabihan mo siya na, Miss Jen, pwede po ba ibaba niyo po yung phone niyo kasi hindi po namin makita. Feeling ko naman she would have done it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ako, I
Diba?
personally met Miss Jen Barangan to an event, and she's a really nice person talaga. And you know, she's educated, she's knowledgeable din naman. Well, I'm just speaking from experience with her, like firsthand. So I don't think, yun nga, she'll do something na ikakasama or like whatever. She's just there like having the time of her life. She's a huge fan. Ganun. But what are your guys' thoughts? I don't know, guys, but
Ako, it
you
was
know.
too much. I feel like the public outcry was too much.
Yeah, too much lang talaga.
Na ano talaga ako for her. Like, I felt bad for her.
Yeah, parang kung pag-uusapan ba natin yan, ikakaunlad ba to ng Pilipinas? Or ng mga buhay natin? Hindi naman, di ba? Oo.
Ako naman ng OA lang. Parang kung ikaw yung naapektuhan nung sa flash niya, sana sinabihan mo siya then and there.
Yeah.
Na, 'di ba?
In her face, not
Yun
not
nga,
anymore.
exactly. Hindi yung pinalagpas mo pa yung buong concert. Tas,
Yeah, if you didn't have the intention to pull her down. Kasi ganyan naman
Yeah.
tayo mga tao. If we have the intention to pull someone down, we're ipagkalat natin, di ba? Pero kung genuine din yung intention natin, we can talk, di ba? Parang
Yeah.
ganun.
yeah, you know, I felt bad for it. It was too much. It was just too much.
Yeah.
I
Ayun,
don't think she
and-
meant any ill will.
And ito guys, kasi I think it's only reasonable that I don't know that there's actually concert etiquettes. Kasi I've never been ever in my entire life to a concert before. So siguro kaya hindi ako knowledgeable on things like that. Pero ngayon ko lang nalaman na may concert etiquettes pala from Spot PH, which are respect personal space, don't hold up a large sign, refrain from heckling. What's heckling?
Yung parang
Yung-
ginugulo mo yung artist habang
Okay.
nagpa-perform
What the
siya.
heck?
Ganyan.
Yun, tama.
Tama yun. Respect seating arrangements. Don't throw items on stage. So,
Don't steal shoes. ASAP.
Alam mo ako din, ngayon ko lang din nalaman na meron palang concert etiquette. Kasi isang concert pa lang yung napupuntahan ko. First and last yon. Well, sana hindi last. Pero
so far.
nakapunta kasi ako nung pumunta dito sa A$AP Rocky, sa Silo dati. And nung experience ko na yun, parang, alam mo yung parang wala talagang concert etiquette. Parang na-feel ko na parang lahat ng tao, parang feeling nila, pwede nilang gawin basta nag-e-enjoy lang. Alam mo yun? Parang kung gusto mo tumalon-talon dyan, tumalon ka. And siguro yung nakakatawa lang din is yun din yung time na ninakaw ng isang fan yung sapatos ni A$AP Rocky.
Lala, ano ba yun?
Na dumaan pa sa harapan ko.
Very disrespectful.
Super.
Like, guys, tao lang yung mga idols natin. So,
Oh.
if you get offended by some things, they also get offended with something. Same program
Tsaka
lang
hindi
tayo.
naman yun, hindi lang yun paglabag sa concert etiquette. Like, stealing yun, be.
Yeah.
Nakaw ka.
You can...
Stealing na talaga.
Yeah.
Pero totoo yung don't throw items on stage. Like, marami talaga yung recently na yung... Meron nga, I forgot sino yung artist na parang na-injure siya eh. Na parang natamaan siya ng sapatos or something. Oh yeah, phone! Na binato on stage. Like, ano ba yun? Why are you doing that? What?
Gigil na gigil eh.
Kakainis.
Okay. Pero ayun, at eto nga, 'di ba, Thea, I think this is for you to discuss because you do theater.
Oo nga.
Oo. Meron din tayong mga for theater goers here. Ano ba yung masasabi
Ito sabi ni
mo?
Miss Leah na audiences using cell phones during performances have zero breathing. Oh my God, that's so true. Okay. May experience na, guys, sobrang distracting niya talaga if you're on stage. Tapos kasi 'di ba, like yung kapag when you're on stage, as in halos black yung nakikita mo sa crowd kasi nga sobrang lakas ng lights. So hindi mo halos black talaga yung nakikita mo sa audience. Siguro makikita mo lang first few rows. So kapag may nag-phone, kahit mababa yung brightness, kitang-kita mo talaga siya and distracting talaga siya. Please, utang na loob, wag ninyong gawin yan. Like disrespectful talaga siya sa artists who are performing on stage. Tsaka sayang naman yung pera nyo, nagbayad kayo para manood, tapos magpo-phone lang kayo. Lumabas na lang kayo. Fortunately, I haven't had the experience na nawala ako sa lines ko. Pero syempre, napansin ko siya. Tapos, syempre, magte-take up pa siya ng space sa utak mo instead of nagpo-focus ka sa ano. Meron din akong time na yung may blocking ako na nandun ako sa edge ng stage. Siguro, like, kung ito yung edge ng stage, yung pinaka-first row, andyan lang. As in, pag gumanon ako, kaya nila akong hawakan. Tapos, naririnig ko sila nagkwentuhan. Tapos, alam mo yung nag-try ka mag-emote, ganyan. Tapos, narinig mo,
Meron pa nga dyan.
Guys, please!
Meron pa nga dyan, alam mo yung na-experience ko din to, yung parang kabado ka, tapos biglang may sisigaw, Kuya! Kuya Vince! Alam mo yung parang kinakabahan ako, tapos mapapatingin na lang, gano'n na lang. Minsan nakakatulong siya, na parang feel mo na nasusuportahan ka, pero in a way, dapat hindi mo talaga gawin yun.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi pwedeng makagulo ka.
Yeah, actually may ganyan ding moment sa studio na may kumakanta na artist. So syempre bago mag-start kumanta, woo! Sigawan yung mga fans, ganyan. Tapos like expected na pag nag-start na yung performance, lalo na if yung kanta medyo solemn or medyo mabagal yung first part, medyo mahina, wag kang woo! Ano ba yun? Minsan nagte-take two dahil doon. Kasi nawawala sa yung parang nagugulat or may mga ganun. So, guys, like, decorum naman.